What up, YouTube? It's your boy TuneChee, and I'm back at y'all again with another freaking video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, click that notification bell, and click all. Make sure y'all join the family. Right now, man, we at the freaking, we just got that E-Man Swervo, man. We at the freaking, we at the freaking, some shot ink, Lil You Dig or whatever, man. They got a lot of bubbles. Bubble Impalas, old school Caprice classics and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Buddy right next to us jamming, gang. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. And the beans, that more nasty though. You know what I'm saying? But, oh, well, we gonna, you know what? We gonna start. We gonna, dang. I see where we gonna start at, gang. Yeah, we gonna start down this way. We gonna start down here. Start getting this content, y'all. We gonna start down here. Alright, y'all. Get that rolling, gang.
I told my wife, she said, everybody gonna leave. I said, we don't put that's just a farm. And I was like, you guys yeah, but still, then you can fuck around.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's the word? Swervo 2 times.
That's the word?
Yeah, we outside, man.
You need a,
Go and get one?
Yeah.
Y'all think I should go and get one of these?
I can see you.
I know Tay had one. He had the, yeah, he had one. Tay had,
My boy Tay on the
Tay had one back in the day.
I love to see what's happening.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
said Stunner was fit right in with Sosa.
Yeah, yep. Boy, these mother, you can ride these at like 400,000 miles on these, boy. These GMCs. These the runners right here, boy.
Definitely got you.
Yeah, definitely did.
Impalas and Caprices. My boy Dane. Speaking of Impalas and Caprices, my boy Dane needs to pull up, man. We gotta get that action. But he is.
Oh yeah.
Cause I know y'all ain't seen this car on the channel. Uh-oh, we got a flip pulling up. It's like but we about to get in some motion, man. About to make some cracking later today.
Oh yeah, it's
the
cracking.
better today gonna get.
Yeah, it's cracking today.
Right now.
We on grind mode all day.
Later we having fun. Y'all still gonna get that content too. So
Yeah, we on grind mode all
y'all
day.
get lifestyle vlogs and then y'all gonna get car content too. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I might turn the camera back on while I'm here, or y'all might see me different places. You never know with me though.
We on grind mode all day.
But we in grind mode
all day.
Because yeah, as soon as you come.
This one.
I feel so much better, bro.
Yeah.
The Reyes.
It has the.
That's the one I just sold.
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
Them vests look good with the tops down.
Was supposed to theoretically.
They look good with the top down. You know what I'm saying? They was up, it just don't look right.
That's the toucher.
I gotta weigh my shit down.
I'm all slamming, boy. I'm all slamming. That's how my Regal sounded. Sounding on car alarms, boy. This mug clean, boy. I like this blue on here. You seen the interior on here?
Yeah. Oh,
this motherfucker nasty.
Oh yeah,
I like this blue in here.
You got that drink on it, though.
Yeah, that's nasty. That look nasty. Yeah, he's snapping with them pilots, man. What's going on? What up?
Better get that turbo, though.
Say, get that turbo on now. Y'all see it, man. He ain't playing no games. Y'all see the turbo right here on the left. Yeah. Yeah, this mug nice. Yeah, it's interior now. Oh yeah, he snapped. Dang, where you at, my boy?
Hey, bro, go ahead touch it.
I'm nasty.
Go ahead touch it.
Talking about touch it.
You hear me? No, go ahead touch it. That's just on the baby's ass.
Oh, the alarm gonna go off?
This is like a sponge, bro.
Oh, you said touch it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Soft.
Yeah. That's definitely something.
Like a bed.
Yeah.
What is it? Right there.
Yeah, he snapped with that. Yep.
Yeah.
Who do you, I think he, what's that?
Yeah,
The headliner nasty in there, boy. And he got a like a tablet screen up in there. That's nice. With the flakes in there.
Guys, I forgot to
Yeah.
show you. I didn't even notice that he had a headline.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah.
I love it.
Hey, what Shot Inc. stands for?
Chicago Impalas and Caprices.
Oh, okay.
In, instead of
In, right, okay, that's what it is, Chicago, okay. Dang, where you at, my boy? Tell Dang to slide. How far you say he is?
I don't think he left.
Well, I guess we can wait until he gets here. Shit. That sting, right?
He's gonna man.
He can say washing the car or something.
Again?
So I thought that's what he was talking about last time.
No, you got the phone. I thought he said he was on his way.
Yeah.
John said that and he called you. He called you.
Ain't no telling.
Oh, a hurricane.
Oh, the real one? That'd be crazy. That was,
Hurricane. I ain't never seen no red hurricane before.
I like this too.
The corals, bro. I think they
Yeah,
are.
that's what they look like.
I think they're corals. I think because
Yeah, they got them
Coral make
design.
wood just like that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and Brutus.
Yeah. I like the design on there. What's these?
It was corals.
Pellies? No, I'm dead serious.
Dang. Tunechee trying to fry.
No, bro, I'm dead serious, bro.
Bro,
They like pelicans or something like that. What they call? Look, he trying to be funny.
No, he said belly, bro. You got it. I thought my people got it.
That man right there, he gonna stick your ass.
That was you.
He gonna take your chain.
You
He
thought you
gonna
was
take
slick.
your chain.
Yeah, you trying to put it on me. You thought you was slick. I heard you said.
He gonna take your
You
chain.
said what that was?
Bro, pinnacles. I said pinnacles.
Pelly, bro.
There you go, to the right. I said pinnacles. Yeah, he funny. Yeah. I'm glad that sun done went down, boy. Great. Should've great.
Go pass.
Yeah. Bro, this interior nasty.
Hey, I told you I would've got. I told you I would've got one, bro.
Say you would've got one of these?
Remember I was looking? I
Yeah.
was looking at that.
Yeah.
Good, bro.
Yeah, this more nasty, dog.
Oh, it's a 60, bro.
This more. Bro, I like that screen.
It's a 550, it's a 60, bro.
Oh yeah. What is the difference is longer?
I think the engine.
Oh yeah, the 660 is what is 5.8, 6.0 or something like that. Engine.
I don't know how the Benz is, but I know some of these cars like.
And then the first number is the actual body, right? That's how the BMW is, like 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, the 560 is the not 60. Might be a 5.6.
5, it's 5 something.
Yeah.
5.
We could be wrong, guys. Don't
Yeah.
be getting on right here's in the comment section.
Yeah, cause I'm a Beamer head. I don't even really know about BMWs.
Right.
I don't really know about the
BMWs.
Benz.
I know about Infinities.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not too fond with.
Yeah, I don't know the classes or none of that with these.
I know the classes, but I don't know the with the
This
number.
might be stunner. Yep. Wild Boy Reese. Where you at? We up here now. Yep. Yes, it's decent. Nice little content. What happened? Oh yeah, they snapping up there on the vets. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, bet. All right. He said he on his way up here. I know Cordell called my phone too. That's probably what they wanted me to come up there. They had some bets up there. They wanted me to film and stuff. That's probably what he called. Yes, sir. But we outside, gang. My boy got the ones in the back. He got a spin the night
Boy, you
bag.
got the Samuel L. Jackson leather jacket in the back. Boy,
Yeah.
stop playing with me. You got it, that's not me.
My boy. My boy had 90-degree weather. My boy had his jacket on. That boy said he hot. Yeah, I don't even think you should do that, my boy. Oh no.
Check the weather, man.
Hey y'all, this nigga Reese looking like a damn rapper and shit, man. Reese look like he done did a whole. Reese look like he a rapper, bro. The man's look like he just. Hey, Reese look like he just dropped the whole mixtape.
Hey, pour it and turn that up.
Yeah. I like this truck too. Yeah, I like that. It's nice. Them wheels be messing your hub bearings up, boy. It sure tore mine up. Reese looking like a rapper, bro. Hey y'all, man, look at Reese, man. Reese look like he just dropped the whole album today.
Reese dropped the album called Wild Boy Reese.
Wild Boy Reese. my man's, I'll tell y'all, my man's look like he just, like he really rap. He probably got the chains on today and everything. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna tell him.
Big vet action, man.
What I got the vet out. I ain't seen him in a minute. A boy looking like a rapper. Reese just dropped the mixtape.
You already know, man. Y'all, hey, y'all see I got my Jada Kiss voice going down. You know what I'm saying?
My boy just dropped the
real
album today, man. We outside.
Extra raspy, you
My
know what
boy
I'm saying?
just dropped the album.
Fresh out of Miami, man. Yeah, that way.
He back, y'all.
Yeah.
He back. Somebody barbecuing though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah,
up?
somebody
Y'all
barbecuing.
good? Y'all good?
Yeah. Somebody barbecuing. Whoosh. Yeah, man. You said, ooh, hold on, let's check you out. BBS from the floor. That's what I should have put on a black shirt, bro. That's what I should have did. Should have put in a black t-shirt. But somebody definitely barbecuing and that smell. Yeah, that shit smell good. Well, that shit smell good. Yeah, but it's getting like fake decent though. You know what I'm saying? Definitely getting fake decent. But y'all stay tuned, gang. We can show y'all what's going on. Hey, bro, we outside all day, my boy. I don't think you ready. Swerve, you ain't ready? What time you going in the crib today?
Man, with this rain, I'm finna go ahead and
I don't think it's gonna rain again. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think, man? I don't think it's gonna rain. It's kind of clear. Clear skies. I don't know, you never know, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on for today. Alright, gang, so we gotta end this vlog, man. What you gotta say, my boy? What you got to say, my boy? We gotta end this vlog, man.
Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all subscribe. And click the notification bell.
Yeah, man, we finna leave the show, man. Y'all know we
I don't know why I'm following Stunner, man. I ain't following Stunner. I don't know.
we gotta go to the gas station.
Yeah, we gotta go to the gas station. But which way am I going? The city that way or that way?
Oh, we came from this way, so might as well go that way.
Definitely that way.
But, gang, yeah, we finna head to the gas station. I'm finna gas up or whatever, man. I gotta give me a charge for my phone. Get one of them little cheap chargers, man. Hope they don't burn the damn phone up. Mess around with the cheap chargers, man. But nah, y'all. Yeah, I know, right? Burning it up. But yeah, man, we on super grind mode, gang. So, yeah, man. So y'all gonna be getting a lot, not a lot. Y'all gonna be getting a couple videos like the same day. I'm just grinding, you know what I'm saying? Cause I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow or whatever. I don't know yet, but I'm still grinding. If I feel like going out to get some more content, I'm gonna go get some more videos. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, y'all. I just been on super grind mode lately. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, man. You know, super grind mode. I definitely appreciate everybody in the comment section too. You know what I'm saying? Like rocking with the kid, you know. And like I said, I know y'all waiting on the Beamer to get back. You know what I'm saying? I know what y'all waiting on, man. Y'all waiting on the car to get back, but hey, man, we gotta wait on the mans. You know what I'm saying? So I will be going back to the shop to check on the car, whatever. You know what I'm saying? By the time I go back to the shop, he probably should have it like broken down and the parts off of it or whatever. I don't know yet, but next week I'm definitely gonna go to the shop or whatever. We're gonna check the Beamer out and see what's going on and see if he did any progress to it or whatever. So I need to call him too because we got some discussions to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, yeah. But we got some discussions to do. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna end this video, man. I had to say something to y'all, but I forgot. We're gonna do it on the next video. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, y'all, man. I'm finna check out another video, gang. Peace.